Today I will take a look inside of this landscape lighting LED bulb that seems to have filled with a bunch of water. This bulb was installed in an outside landscape lighting fixture, which runs on low voltage 12 volt AC from a transformer, and it worked well for a year or so and then got dim. The fixture that this was in is designed in a way where water can enter it, unfortunately, as it is just a wall-mounted cylinder with two of these bulbs in it, one in the top oriented like this, and one on the bottom oriented like this, so water could definitely enter through these pins, these holes, and this gap right here. First, I will demonstrate what this bulb does with the bench power supply. This is 12 volts DC currently set to. It's not making a good contact. I'm bending the pins on the bulb so I can connect the power supply to it. There we go. Now it is on using only 3 milliamps, way dimmer than it usually is, and that is because 5 of the LED chips have burnt out, and only a few are still working. So now I'll take a look inside of this bulb. Now my first attempt, oops, this is ceramic, so I don't want to completely ruin it, is to clamp the base and then pull the top piece out using this. Oh, well, I might be breaking it further. Okay, that is separated. It appears that there's some sort of driver circuit in there on a flexible PCB with an inductor I can already see. Well, just bending the leads and then pulling them through the wire holes. There we go. There's the power input pins and the power supply with its little inductor, control chip, and some diodes, it seems. It's already broken, so I don't need to care if I break it further. Ceramic is broken. Now this can probably come out. So this is what is inside of this LED bulb. There are 13 LEDs total, a small capacitor, 68 microfarad, 25 volt, and on this back side it looks to be another capacitor, 4 diodes forming a bridge rectifier. Back on the front side looks to be some diodes, an LED control chip, and an inductor as part of the LED driver circuit. So this is what's inside of a cheap LED landscape lighting bulb. The LED circuit is based on a flexible circuit board. The housing is made of this ceramic material as well as a plastic enclosure. Unfortunately, this design lets water get in when used in certain fixtures because it contains 4 small holes on the base to allow the wires to be passed through to power the circuit. Anyways, make sure to subscribe for more videos.